Okay, hello from the Standard Hotel in Bangkok. It's time for a quick tour of my balcony corner suite, room 916 of this hotel in the tallest building in the country. So here's my little entryway. Luggage storage is right here. This is a wardrobe, a little bit hard to make out with the glare. Take my word for it. So we are on the 9th floor, as you would have assumed from the room number. This is the Matterhorn building. It stretches up to 400 and something square meters. The hotel opened in July 2022, which is shortly before I was filming this. This is the minibar section. Cute little white espresso machine there. They have a speaker so you can listen to your music really loudly. This is the view from this part of the building. I've got a graveyard over there, which I personally find really interesting. Here is the pool. So the hotel also has a membership scheme for its pool and gym. Very expensive for Bangkok. So we'll see over time. There's a sky train coming there, by the way. We'll see over time if that makes it congested, but right now it seems okay. So there you can see the building that we're currently in. It's the famous pixelated skyscraper. It looks really, really cool. Here's the lounge area, then going through to the bedroom. Another great view from here. There's the SkyTrain pulling in right there. The stop is right there. There's a stairwell that takes it down over that road, and then you're directly at the entrance to this hotel. Here is the bedroom. You've got more storage in there. That's another wardrobe space. Then we follow through here to the toilet. Japanese Toto toilets, which are great. And this is me. Here is your huge bath with jacuzzi style jets and this nice view that you can enjoy from the tub. Here is the shower. These are your amenities. It's yeah, there it is. I forgot the brand name. It's called the Vinez. The Vinez. Here is a cute, curious little area by the shower. You can just step out, sit on your stool, and contemplate. And then you got a glimpse of it there. Is the balcony. So I'll give you a quick look. The door is very heavy. So sound insulation is really, really good, but it might get a bit noisy when I open this. Door is super heavy. There's your seats. And here is Bangkok.